Well, it's a long drive, but I got here. County Road, or Rustic Road 122. This one's only 3 miles long. We'll see what it looks like. Took me an over an hour to get here, but it was spread out a little bit. The next one's going to be 51, which I've done a dozen times, but I'm going to do it just so I can include it in this series. Again, this is a blacktop, not gravel like I thought it would be. Doesn't make too much difference to me if it's gravel or blacktop. Very woodsy, kind of almost like a tunnel driving through here. It's pretty nice. This is just east of Pepin, or Lake Pepin, which is the birthplace of water skiing. Just a fun fact, I guess. This would be a wonderful road if it was 90 degrees out or 100. It's well in the shadows. It's really nice in here. Be pretty in the fall. Looks like there's a few oak trees. I don't know if there's a lot of maple in here. The maple are the ones that give you all the color. This is a downhill sweeper here. We're just basically coasting down this one. This is the Arkansas River. It's more of a little stream. I'm guessing in the summer there's probably not much water that flows through there. I'm really surprised with all the rain we've got out here. It doesn't seem like they really got that much. Streams and everything are at normal rate. Nothing flooded. Corn drops look really good. I've seen some of them that are already 4 to 5 feet tall. Some of the cornfields. So the excessive moisture has really been helping out with the crop so far. And that is the end of Rustic Road 122. Pretty short run. But it's one more for the books. So now I'm going to work my way back to, I think I'm going to do number 51 next.